Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Dear friends, myself Pravesh Goswami from KGK Higher Secondary School. Now, today I am going to teach economics, and in economics, chapter number 5, poverty. After independence, India tried to achieve development by using the planning commission. And so, after 1947, India has achieved so many success in so many fields. But beside the success, there are some problems also created. The problems like high population, then inflation, unemployment, and poverty. Now, I am going to teach about the poverty. Normally, what is poverty? So, poverty means a person who has not enough income by that he or she can satisfy his or her primary needs. In primary needs, we hear food, housing, and clothing. In India, many people do not have two-time meals, proper clothing, proper housing. That means they are living below the poverty line. Now, here different types of the concept of poverty. See here. Now, here first meaning. According to income definition of poverty. Income definition of poverty. That means a person who hasn't the enough income by using that goods and services, and they can't satisfy his or her primary requirement or primary needs. So that person living below poverty line. So in this definition, we consider only the food. So here poverty is a state of scarcity. Now the other definition here, in this definition only we consider calories. This is the limitation of this definition. This definition shows the situation of starvation. But in India, present time, there isn't the situation of starvation. But the main problem is income. So, the other definition, and that definition is modern meaning of poverty. In the modern meaning of poverty, we consider food as well as other things. And those are standard of living, food, clothing, education, health, cleanliness, pure drinking water. So here, beside the food, there are so many things we consider in the definition. Because poverty shows not the scarcity of food grain but other things also. Here especially health situation, education, cleanliness, pure drinking water. In the slums area, people living, they haven't the facility of pure drinking water. And most of the diseases occur because of polluted water. So, in the modern definition of poverty, We consider standard of living, food, clothing, education, health, cleanliness, and pure drinking water. So this is the definition of poverty. Now, types of poverty. So there are two types of poverty. One is absolute poverty and second is relative poverty. Now here, absolute poverty. So here are different opinions are given about absolute poverty. Now first one, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. According to him, if a person's income is less and because of that their meal in rural area 2400 calories required and in urban area 2100 calories required in their daily meal. And according to the price 1960-61 for this calorie in rural area 2400 and in urban area 2100, per month expenditure is 20 rupees. To satisfy your primary requirement, that means food, and in that food you require 2400 calories in rural area and 2100 calories in urban area, and for that your monthly income must be 20 rupees. If your income is less than 20 rupees, then you are living below poverty line. After that, the second opinion, the economists Dandekar and Rath. According to him, the price of 1960-61 in rural area 15 rupees required and in urban area 22.50 rupees required. If in the rural area your income per month less than 15 rupees, that means you are living below poverty line. Same way, in the urban area, your income is less than 22 rupees and 50 paisa, then you are living below poverty line. So this is the opinion of the economists Dandekar and Rath. After that, Planning Commission. Planning Commission of India. Here, the price of 1973 and 74. According to him, in rural area 49 rupees required and in urban area 57 rupees required. If your income is below 49 rupees in rural area and below 57 rupees in urban area, then you are living below poverty line. So this is the opinion of Planning Commission. Now in 2011 and 12 price in rural area 816 rupees and in urban area 1000 rupees required. So according to Planning Commission, if your income is less than 816 rupees in rural area and less than 1000 rupees in urban area, then you are considered as a poor. So here different opinions are given by different people. Now here this is the Indian standard. Now the international level of poverty. In international level of poverty, we consider PPP, purchasing power parity. What is the meaning of purchasing power parity? So here, the income of different country, here we calculate in the same currency. So different countries people, their income in different currency. So here the income of different people considered or convert in a dollar. So we can calculate equally. So here the income of the people of different countries, their income we calculate on the price of dollar. So this is known as PPP, that means purchasing power parity. According to purchasing power parity at the international level in 1990, if your income is less than $1 per day, then you are living below poverty line. Then in 2005, if your income is less than $1.25, then you are living below poverty line. And now in 2015, your income is less than $1.90, then you are living below poverty line. So this is the international level of poverty. When we calculate the poverty in India or in international level, both are different. Here in India, we consider the calorie, income, expenditure. And in international level, we consider the income, but only in the dollar. So this is your international level. Now, so if your income is less than this, then you are living below poverty line. Thank you very much.